Welcome to Her Finance, a channel dedicated to empower girls and women in their financial journey. Before we get into today's topic, let me ask you a question. Do you know what your spouse or parents or whom you're dependent on, their income, savings, any loans, liabilities? So, what are those details? Where it is kept? We need to know today because to understand the personal finance and wealth, we need to prepare for our future. When it comes to personal finance and wealth, it is very essential that the family members are well informed on different key areas. Why we need to know? We need to ensure our financial stability, transparency, and preparedness for the future. Here is a comprehensive breakdown. These are the key areas. Number one, household budgeting. Do we know what are our various income sources? Like how much salaries each person in the family is earning? And what about our business income, any other business income or passive income? Not only that, we need to understand about our monthly expenses. How much expenses are we doing for running a 1 month in the family? For example, rent, utilities, variables like groceries, entertainment, medical expenses, etc. etc. And then finally, the savings goals. What are our emergency fund? And do we have any travels planned for the whole year? How about education, college fee, tuition fee, school fee, etc.? So all these points comes under household budgeting. Now the second topic is debt and liabilities. So one should know what are our outstanding loans like home loan, vehicle loan, personal loan, educational loan. Not only that, like how long we need to pay for that, which bank it is tied up with, all these details we should be aware. Then comes the credit card balances, like how much, what is the usage, which bank, and what are the repayment plans. Like that, we need to understand. Then finally comes the repayment schedules. Like we want, you should understand what is our total EMI amount, by when we should pay, if we not pay, what is the late amount charges, due dates, interest rates, etc. Let's get into savings and investments. There are various kinds of savings and investments. Bank accounts, for example, where our savings accounts are lie down. Like there are different types of savings like FD, RD, and do we know all those details? Then comes the investment portfolios. Like do you invest it in stocks, mutual funds, bonds, gold, ETFs? Then retirement plans. There are various retirement plans. Do your family member are having PPF, EPF, NPS pension schemes? Then the most important favorite topic is the real estate. Are you invested in real estate? If so, where you're owning the property and what is your rental income and mortgages? In total, we have various options of savings and investments. Do you know all these details of bank accounts, portfolios, etc.? The fourth topic is insurance coverage, which is one of the important topic, but the awareness is very less among us. So, what are those insurance coverages? The first one is a health insurance. Do you have health insurance for each and every member of your family? Do you know their coverage details? Who is the provider and what is the premium amount? And then comes the life insurance. Like, do you know the policy types, beneficiaries, and maturity values? And the last point is the property and the vehicle insurance, the coverage and the renewal details, etc. The fifth topic is legal and estate planning. You may wonder, wills and trust. What are those? Do your parents or spouse have returned their wills? Do you know their existence, location, and the details about it? Then the power of attorney. Are you the power of attorney provided to someone or you are holding it? And for what purposes? Do you know the details? And finally, the most important is the nominee information. Whatever we have discussed so far, for all the financial accounts and policies, one should have the nominee details. Do you have it? We'll see the remaining 5 key areas in our next video. Join me in this financial journey by sharing this video with at least one of your friends. Thank you.